Hey there, eco-friends! Welcome to Easy Brizi, your one-stop channel for everything sustainable. Do you ever wonder what happens to the mountains of plastic waste we generate? Can we transform this trash into a treasure? Today, we're peeling back the layers on a material you may have heard of, but might not fully understand: bioplastics. If you're excited about this, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on all our videos. Defining bioplastics. Let's start simple. What exactly are bioplastics? Picture your everyday plastic items, your toothbrush, the wrapping around your sandwich. Now, imagine them made not from petroleum, but from plants. That's essentially what bioplastics are: plastics derived from renewable resources like corn, sugarcane, and even algae. Bioplastics are like regular plastics, but their source is plants, not petroleum. How bioplastics are made. Making bioplastics is like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, we use plant materials. These plants, like corn or sugarcane, get converted into plastics through various scientific processes. It's a bit like how a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. Creating bioplastics is a transformation process. Plants become useful everyday items, just like a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Types of bioplastics. Bioplastics come in different flavors, or rather, types. You have PLA, which is perfect for food packaging, PHA excellent for medical applications, and starch blends for compostable bags. Different types of bioplastics, like PLA, PHA, and starch blends, serve different purposes in our lives. Benefits of bioplastics. Bioplastics are like superheroes in disguise. They help us reduce our carbon footprint, they're biodegradable, and they give us an excellent alternative to conventional plastics. Remember, every plastic toothbrush you've ever used still exists somewhere on Earth. But a bioplastic one? It can return to the soil safely over time. We do not inherit the Earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Native American proverb. Challenges with bioplastics. But even superheroes face challenges. For bioplastics, these include a higher cost of production and certain waste management issues. However, with advancing technology and growing awareness, we can overcome these obstacles. Challenges exist, but with continued innovation, bioplastics have a promising future. Conclusion. So, that's a wrap on bioplastics, a sustainable solution turning trash into treasure. These wonderful materials could revolutionize our future and help us protect our precious planet. Do you think you'll be considering bioplastics as an alternative in your daily life? Let us know in the comments. And remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread the knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to join us on this journey towards a greener tomorrow. See you in our next video.